Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve a question which is asked by Anupam from Kota. Question is find the pH of 10 raised to minus 8 m SCl. So what is the general step taken by a student? Since given acid is a stronger acid, so concentration of H plus will be concentration of HCl, because given acid is monoprotic, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 8. Now, according to definition of pH, the pH will be minus of log concentration of H plus divided by unit of concentration. So which is equal to minus of log 10 raised to minus 8, that is equal to 8. So concentration of H plus is 10 raised to minus 8, hence the pH will be 8. It is calculated by a student. But for any acid at 25 degrees Celsius, pH can't be greater than 7. But here pH is 8. So it is wrong. Let us see what is the mistake done by the student. Whenever for any stronger acid having concentration less than 10 raised to minus 6, we have to consider the H plus from the water. So, my dear student, whenever you are going to solve any problem, first step is you have to decide the key point of given reaction, key point of given question. So here key point is concentration of HCl is less than 10 raised to minus 6. This is the key point in given question. So whenever the concentration of any stronger acid is less than 10 raised to minus 6, you have to consider the concentration of H plus coming from the water. The dissociation of water will be suppressed by a stronger acid. Let us write down the dissociation reaction of water. So H2O liquid undergoing dissociation, H plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous. Initially, since water is pure liquid, the concentration of water is not going to change. Concentration of H plus will be only from the stronger acid, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 8, and the concentration of OH minus will be 0. At equilibrium, we are assuming X moles of water is going to dissociate, or X concentration of water is going to dissociate. So the concentration of H plus will be 10 raised to minus 8 plus X, and the concentration of OH will be X So according to the definition of ionic product, Kw will be concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. At 25 degrees Celsius, Kw will be 10 raised to minus 14. So 10 raised to minus 14 equal to x plus 10 raised to minus 8 into x. It gives a quadratic equation x square plus 10 raised to minus 8x minus 10 raised to minus 14 equal to 0. So now we have to solve given quadratic equation. Root of quadratic, the value of x will be minus 10 raised to minus 8 plus minus root under 10 raised to minus 8 whole square minus 4 is to minus 10 is to minus 14 into 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 8. Since root of x will be positive or negative, but the concentration of H plus can't be negative, therefore we have to take only positive value of this, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 16 minus plus 4 is to 10 raised to minus 14 divide by 2. Again we are going to take 10 raised to minus 16 out of the root. It will give 10 raised to minus 8. So it will give we are going to take 10 raised to minus 16 from the root, and taking 10 minus 8 common, we'll get minus 1 plus 400 divide by 2. Since 400 is very large compared to 1, it will give 10 raised to minus 8, 1 minus 1 plus 20 divide by 2, which is equal to 9.5 into 10 raised to minus 8. So concentration of H plus total will be the concentration of H plus from H2O plus concentration of H plus from HCl, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 8 plus 9.5 into 10 minus 8, which is equal to 10.5 into concentration of 10 raised to minus 8. So this is the net concentration of H plus. Now pH will be minus of log concentration of H total divided by unit. So which is equal to minus of log 10.5 into 10 raised to minus 8, which is equal to minus of log 10.5 minus log 10 raised to minus 8. So now we can write as log minus 8 and minus multiply, it becomes 8 minus the value of the log 10 raised to 5 will be slightly greater than 1. So exact value is 1.02, which will equal to 6.98. So pH of the solution will be 6.98, which is less than 7, because pH of any acid can't be greater than 7. So my dear student, whenever the concentration of H plus is less than 10 raised to minus 6, you can write approximately equal to 7, or you have to solve by quadratic equation. Thanks for watching my videos and all the best for your examination.